Hey everyone, what is up today? So, today we'll be talking about what I think might be the best affiliate marketing course of 2021, in my opinion. And let me explain why, guys. So, we're gonna get straight into it. Okay, the 10x income system, guys. For those of you who don't know, this is an affiliate program created by Tabby D, this lady right here. So, I'm currently on the landing page of the 10x income program, guys. And this is not a free course, guys. This course allows you to gain unlimited commissions in 297. So this isn't like low ticket affiliate marketing, guys, where you're only getting like 10 or 15 bucks per commissions. No, you are getting $297 for every single commission. Okay? There's no complicated setup, no experience or fancy tech skills needed, uh, and no waiting around for results to a certain extent, guys. I do believe that results do come a lot faster, but there is waiting involved. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, this isn't free. Now, this course at one point was $997, and by $997 I mean $997, guys. But recently there was a huge price cut, and now it's only $297. So that still might be kind of steep for some of you who are watching this, especially if you are new to affiliate marketing in general, um, or just making money online in general, guys. But for those of you who are skeptical, there is a 365-day money back guarantee. Okay. Now, what makes this affiliate course so special? What makes this one stand out from the other ones? Well, let me explain it for you guys right now. First of all, it's the Autopilot Traffic. So this is an option inside the 10x income program, guys. But it is an option that has worked for most of the members who are using it. The Autopilot Traffic is simply traffic you are leveraging from Tabby D's traffic packages. Now, these are paid traffic packages, guys. And these convert well because Tabby D is a Google traffic expert, which means he is collecting leads, prospects for you, and all you have to do is purchase these packages. So uh, these prospects can click your link and potentially buy the product. So that is an option that you can use to promote the 10x income program. But the second option is organic traffic. That's the method that I prefer at the moment, guys, because I am still new to this and I didn't want to invest any more than the 297. And that has worked pretty well for me so far. Now, lifelong traffic, of course, through these traffic packages, if that is the route you choose to go. If you choose that route, this is 100% passive, guys. No manual work involved because all you have to do is pretty much just buy traffic packages, guys. And these will eventually convert into sales that you can use. So stop failing and finally break through, guys. So basically, if you choose to go um, the traffic package route, guys, um, there's no need to basically go out there and message people and do any manual work or referrals through organic traffic, guys. It's pretty automated if you are using the traffic packages. Um, and if you're still skeptical, there's a 365-day money back guarantee. All right. Now, for those of you who don't know, Tabby D has been in the online marketing space for about 5 years now. She's built the 10x income system so affiliates like you, affiliates like me, can be able to earn these types of commissions easily, guys, with no hassle. So that's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. If this was helpful, or if there's anything else you would like me to cover in future videos, guys, about this particular program or anything related to it, just comment below, guys. And as usual, guys, I will leave a link in the description so you can visit this page for yourself and do some more research on Tabby D. That's going to be pretty much it for today. See you in the next video.